Hey there, young inventors. Welcome to our super fun video all about amazing robots. Did you know robots aren't just in the movies? They are right here in the real world, helping us in so many incredible ways. From exploring space like NASA's robots to helping doctors in hospitals and even robots that can play soccer. Cool, right? In this video, we are going to dive into the world of awesome robots. We will check out robots that can talk, walk, and even dance. So get ready because we are about to explore the coolest robots ever. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our exciting robot adventures. To get started, the first is about robotics pet like Sony's Aibo, a robotic dog. This is designed to interact with humans and provide companionship, simulating the experience of having a real pet. And you know what? Iconic robots like C-3PO and WALL-E have captured our imagination in movies. WALL-E, for instance, was designed to evoke sympathy and emotional response from viewers. And you know about robots can dance? Robots like Asimo and those created by Boston Dynamics have shown off impressive dance moves, demonstrating their advanced mobility and coordination. And robots are in space too. The Mars rover, including Curiosity and Perseverance, are essentially robotic explorers that send back valuable data about the surface of Mars. Some robots use AI to learn from their environment and make decisions, allowing them to adapt to new situations and tasks. If these facts have sparked your interest in the world of robotics, please consider exploring more with our MentorMe's robotics training program to learn how you can get involved in this exciting field too.